Hello friends, so today I'm going to unbox this WaterH water bottle. It's a connected water bottle. So I was a part of this Kickstarter campaign and I just received my pledge yesterday. So now let's see the box. It shows all the features it comes with. Mainly it check the purification level of the water, and it's a connected bottle, so it knows when you have drink the water or something like those kind of data is there in the app. So let's open quickly. Okay, wonderful. So looks like a very nice quality bottle. Okay, perfect. Very nice. So it's built of very high quality material. Looks to be really premium bottle. Okay, let's keep it aside and see. So looks like I have the charging cable and the puck. So this one is nice one. So this is the wireless charging. So I just need to put my, so it has a USB-C charging port, and I just need to put it over here. It will be wirelessly charge my bottle. So this is a perfect thing because the previous bottle I had was a connected bottle, but still I need to plug a proprietary wire to that bottle to charge that, and that's kind of a pain. Yeah, so I like this part that okay, wirelessly charge. Perfect. Okay, so let's find the app now. It's called WaterH. Okay. Okay, let's search this way. WaterH instead. Perfect. Yeah, that's the one. So I've already created the account and I've already set up my bottle, but it will still let me go through this similar process if I'm not wrong. So let's try it this way. Perfect. Yeah, so I have this here, as I told you that I already set up the water bottle, but let's see. Yeah, it's going to show me to connect because I've reinstalled the app. Okay, so connect, pair. So it's now showing me a blue light. They must have some kind of a sensor on top of the bottle, which is kind of like asking me to like put a hands on it to connect. So I'm just perfect. Yeah, so the bottle is connected now. It asked me to recalibrate the bottle when the bottle is like the singing first time, or maybe I'm just trying it again. So let's try to begin this one. So empty your bottle. Okay, 2 blue light flash. Okay, successful recalibration. When you finish drinking, you should like put it on the ground or put it on this flat surface to start syncing. It's gonna flash the blue light. It means like okay, it has already synced the data. And the secondly, when I fill the water, also that time also I need to put it on the flat surface to make sure that this thing is being done, that the data has been synced. Okay, so apart from this, let's go to the quickly go through the app functionalities. So it shows me the water quality. So this was supposed to be in numbers, but it shows me somehow it's showing me excellent for kind of all the water I have tried. So I would have liked to get this thing in the numbers to differentiate between the better and the good water. But hopefully it will be improved in the future. The battery percentage is there. Apart from that, I can like there's a menu where I can update the firmware, recalibrate the bottle, remove the bottle. Okay, let's go back here. I can add the water manually as well, and there's a goal, history, achievement. Okay, so after using this bottle for some time now, what I can see is that the things I've noticed is that the first thing is the Apple Health support. The Apple Health support, I really miss this thing because there is no connection. Whatever the data is there in this app stays in this app. There is no integration over here. So it means that like the data, what I'm getting is not being used at the in the other apps. which nowadays like many of the apps like kind of get the water data to get the overall insight of your health, which I'm not able to use it right now. Hopefully they will do it in the future, but yeah, that's one of the thing. Apart from that, there is a blue light over here, which blinks kind of when there is a water reminder. So the light is kind of very subtle, which is one way it's a good thing because you're kind of like not distracted by that light. But the other way, if I'm thinking, is that uh, if I want to get reminded by this thing, this light is not good enough. It's like somehow I'm not able to notice it until unless it is in my eyesight. Um, and last thing which I've noticed is that in the app, even though it has some kind of like achievement badges and those kind of things, but there is no particular way right now to make sure that like I reach my water goal in a day. So there should be something like, okay, I have this is the time, let's say 12 o'clock, I still have to finish my 2 liters of water in a day. Then it reminds me by understanding that okay, this much water I have drank, and like this much water I should be drinking, or some kind of intelligent reminders. But there's no reminders allowed all right now. So hopefully that can be improved. But overall, I'm really happy about this thing because it has a really nice build quality. The water bottle sync well, even though it takes some time after opening, and you have to open the app for your data to be synced to the app. So that is one of the bummer as well. See you in the next video, guys.